Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate After Effects for GPU acceleration and performance, detailed guide step by step clear. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. In the upper menu, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the General section. Ensure that Use GPU Acceleration is checked. Next, click on the Display section within Preferences. Under the display options, confirm that GPU information is enabled. Now, navigate back to the main interface of After Effects. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Project Settings window, click on the Video Rendering and Effects tab. Choose the Mercury GPU Acceleration option. Select your GPU from the list if it is not already selected. Click OK to save your changes. To further enhance performance, go to Edit. Select Preferences once again. Now, navigate to the Memory and Performance section. Allocate more RAM to After Effects by adjusting the RAM reserved for other applications. Enable multi-core rendering if your system supports it. Click OK to apply these settings. Go to the Composition menu at the top. Select Composition Settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Ensure that Use Frame Blending is set according to your needs. Return to the main After Effects workspace. Click on the Edit menu. Select Preferences, then go to Media and Disk Cache. Set a larger value for disk cache size to improve performance. Adjust the max disk cache size to allow for more rendered previews. Click OK to confirm your settings. To finalize, restart After Effects to apply all your changes. Once After Effects has restarted, create a new project or open an existing one. Monitor your performance and ensure GPU acceleration is functioning properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.